Hello friends, my name is Karuna Gandhi. I am an ACCA member and a Lean Six Sigma Black Belt from Anexas Management Consultancy. I am a hardcore finance professional and I felt the need of diversifying my career. I was on the lookout of a management consultancy or a training center which would help me attempt these courses and get the certifications. I came across the Anexas Management Consultancy where I found Mr. Amitabh Saxena and his team doing a fabulous job doing the on-site training courses during COVID scenarios, which suited me really well. And that was my journey which started with Anexas Consultancy, which I thoroughly enjoyed. The online site trainings were interesting. The concepts were made very simpler. The mock exams were easier to handle. There was no pressure as such. The stress was relieved because there was constant support from the tutors and the senior member, Mr. Amitabh Saxena. So I would highly recommend anyone who is looking to diversify their career in doing certain certifications to approach Anexas and get going with this. Also, I would like to highlight that previously I was working as a group CFO in one of the healthcare divisions, and these courses helped me diversify my role and get me a job during COVID, which was a tough time, which is more project based, and I'm very keen to handle these projects in future using my tools and techniques learned in my Lean Six Sigma and PMP courses. Thank you so much.